Proxxon is known for high-quality precision tools, both handheld and benchtop. And today we're going to talk about the chop and miter saw, which is ideal for just that, chop cuts and miter cuts in wood, plastic, and non-ferrous metal. Let's start with the overall footprint of the machine. It's got about a 9x9 base, and it weighs about 12 pounds. And I feel you can just feel the quality in the machine. It's solidly built. It's all made of pressure cast aluminum. As we look around the machine, I've got a lateral adjustment here. That will move the blade just slightly left and right so I can get it nice and tight to this vise grip. That's a good thing when you're cutting because that vise will hold your material tight. You're not going to get any vibration as you're cutting. So the closer we can get to that vise, the better. The vise itself is self-centering. That means I don't have to worry about getting my workpiece under the blade, in the center of the blade. As I loosen it or tighten it, the center is always maintained. It's got a V-grip inside the vise that's perfect for round materials. And then it's got a slot on top of the vise that's perfect for more narrow materials. So the vise itself has a lot of flexibility depending on the material that you're trying to cut. There's also a longitudinal fence stop that'll extend all the way to 12 inches. And you can rotate the fence stop so you can use it to measure, then rotate it out of the way so that you're not worried about any kind of kickback. We also have a die-cast aluminum swivel table. We loosen it here, and then as you lift, you can swivel 45 degrees in either direction. And it has positive stops. You'll hear the click at every 15 degrees. But if you need something between those 15-degree increments, just set it yourself, and then you tighten the thumb screw, and it's not going to move at all while you're working. So you're guaranteed the same angle over and over again. Lastly, the grip. It's ergonomic and it's safe. It feels good when you hold it, and just by lowering this, nothing's going to happen, right? In order to use the saw, we have to both squeeze this trigger and this trigger for the saw to come on. So you've got that built-in safety mechanism. You can also bolt it directly to your work surface, so you're not going to get any movement. But I like the fact that I actually can move it. I tend to store it. When I need it, I bring it out, and then I put it back on my work surface. Let's cut a piece of wood so you can see the chop saw in action. I'm going to open up the vise, tighten it down, again self-centering, squeeze both to turn it on. And there you have it. The Proxxon chop and miter saw. Quality, precise, and safe, all in a really nice compact footprint, about 9 inches square.